Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode, we are going to drive RC cars because today is a miserable day. It's too cold and we're in a place where there's shelter from wind, but it was super windy earlier this morning and we can't fly anything. So we have our cars out today. So Andre, what do you have?
I got my Losi Super Baja Rey.
Big car down there, and I brought the X-MAXX, you know, a classic over here. And we're going to race them up and down this road here, and hopefully cars don't come and drive over us because there's a car coming right over on this side right now. He's probably wondering, why is this guy talking to his hat? All right, here we go. All right, so here we are in the Great White North. The wind is howling. We are freezing our butts off, and that was it for riding today. We're not going to drive anymore. It's much too cold. So Andre, your final last words, if your teeth are working?
My teeth are working. That worked out really well. In the harder packed snow, when it gets a lot softer, I don't think I'll be able to do the same.
No, so you'll see us out again in another video with soft snow and paddle tires, which will cause these vehicles to drive on soft snow, and it looks really cool. So until then, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.